You must have questions.
Why can't your wife finish her book series?
You really want to know? This is Verity.
The doctors don't think she'll ever walk or talk again.
She said, you are a brilliant, undiscovered voice. You're the only writer who can finish this last novel.
Her fans know her voice. They would know it's not her.
This is my confession. My autobiography. A writer's words should be honest and bloody and a little bit terrifying.
This place is insane. I feel like I'm losing my mind.
I was his drug, and he was mine.
She was standing right there, Jeremy! Say something. Say something.
This is your final warning. Only darkness ahead.